Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to your Chapter 5 math test. All right, it's that time again. We've been talking about addition and subtraction relations for a few weeks now. So we're going to have our test today. I will be reading every problem to you and giving you some time to answer it. If I go too fast for you, you may pause the video and then just hit play when you are ready to resume. If you need to go back and listen to anything, just rewind the video and then go forward until you need to get to the new one. Okay. Remember, this is a test, so parents, please do not help your little ones. We want to see how much they know. And let's get started. So right above number 1, it says your email address. Boys and girls, just type in your name on this line, and I think that will be good. If it doesn't let you submit it, then you might have to go back and type in your whole email address. But for right now, just type in your name. That way we know whose test it is. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. And just your first name is fine. All right. Now, let's look at number 1. It says use this model, this bar model, to help you solve the problem. It says there are 14 books on the shelf. Then 8 books fell off. How many books are still on the shelf? All right, boys and girls, think about that. There's 14 total. 8 fell off. How many are still on the shelf? Put 8 in your head and count up to 14. Type in your answer where it says short answer text. All right, good job. Number 2. It says 5 dogs are in the park. More dogs come. Now there are 15 dogs. How many dogs come to the park? So you're looking at that bar model. All right, there were 5 already at the park. Now there's 15. How many more came to join them? Put 5 in your head, count up to 15, and write your answer on the line. All right, good job. Let's look at number 3. Now, number 3 is a little confusing. All right, I see 4 equations, and you have to make sure that you click a button for each equation. There are 4 different answers for this one problem. Make sure that you're looking straight across and you're not accidentally putting 2 answers for one problem. Now, remember, boys and girls, these are related facts, which means each equation has the same 3 numbers in it, just in a different order. So look at the first one. It says blank plus 3 equals 11. Click on the circle for your answer. All right, the one right below it says 3 plus 8 equals. Click on the button for your answer. The one below it says 13 minus 3 equals. Click on the button for your answer. And the last equation says 11 minus 8 equals. Click on the button for your answer. Good job. All right, let's move to number 4. Number 4 is the exact same type of problem, just with a different equation or related facts. So look at the top equation. It says blank plus 7 equals 16. Click on either 7, 9, or 16. All right, the next equation says 7 plus 9 equals. Click on 7, 9, or 16. The next equation down says 16 minus 9 equals, and click on the correct answer. And the last equation is 16 minus 7 equals, and click on your answer. Great job, boys and girls. Let's move on to number 5. Number 5 is just a subtraction problem. So I want to know what 15 minus 7 is. You can put 7 in your head, count up to 15, click on the short answer text, and type in your answer. Good. Number 6, same type of problem. This time it says 12 minus 9 equals. Make sure you type in your answer on the line. Good. All right, moving to number 7. Now, these are related facts as well, except with this time we only have one addition problem and we have one subtraction problem. Look at the first equation on number 7. It says 6 plus blank equals 12. Click on the answer, either it's 6, 12, 10, or 8. Okay. The second equation, remember, this is a related fact, so the subtraction is just the backwards of the addition. 12 minus 6 equals what? Click on 6, 12, 10, or 8. Great. Number 8, same type of question. All right, boys and girls, remember that it doesn't matter where the equal sign is. It happens to be in front of the equation this time, but that is okay because we're going to figure it out the same way. So the first equation says 7 plus 3 equals, what is it? 4, 6, 10, or 11. Okay. The second equation says 7 minus 3 equals, is it 4, 6, 10, or 11? Great job, boys and girls. Let's move to number 9. All right, these are our triangle math problems, which I love because we want to find out what 15 minus 6 is. But I can think of it as an addition problem of 6 plus something equals 15. So you can put 6 in your head, count up to 15, and that's the missing number in the triangle. Make sure you type that number in the bottom where it says short answer. Good. Number 10 is the same thing with a different equation. I want to know what 13 minus 7 is, but I can think of it as an addition problem. So I can say to myself, 7 plus something will get me to 13. So I can put 7 in my head, count up to 13, and that will be your answer. Type that on the bottom line. Good job. All right, moving to number 11. It's a word problem, and this is a little bit tricky, so please listen carefully as I read it. It says, write a number sentence to solve. So boys and girls, you're actually going to have to type in an addition sentence and put the total or the sum to the equation. Let me read it first, and then I'll walk you through it. It says, Heather sees 4 birds. Mike sees 6 more birds than Heather. How many birds do they see? All right, let me read it again. Heather sees 4 birds. Mike sees 6 more birds than Heather. How many birds do they see? Now, this is a little bit tricky because there's only 2 numbers, but we're going to add 3 numbers together. So listen to me. If Heather sees 4 birds, okay, and Mike sees 6 more than Heather, that also means that Mike sees those 4 birds plus the 6 more. All right, type up a 3 add-in equation to get your total. So you're going to type the whole equation on this line. All right. Number 12, same type of thing. It says write a number sentence to solve. Aiden has a box with 14 toys. Some toys are big, 5 toys are small. How many toys are big? All right, so you can write an addition sentence with 5 plus, something equals your total, or you can write a subtraction sentence. We know that he has 14. 5 of those are small, so the rest would equal the big toys. Write an equation. Good. Number 13, simple addition. Tell me what 3 plus 7 is. Write your answer on the line at the bottom where it says short answer text. All right, number 14. We have a missing number subtraction problem. 12 minus what equals 5? You can put 5 in your head, count up to 12, write your answer on the line at the bottom. And number 15, 10 plus what equals 14? Put your answer on the line at the bottom. And the last problem, boys and girls, number 16. 16 minus 9 equals what? Put your answer on the line at the bottom. Great job, boys and girls. If I went too quickly for one of the problems, you can rewind the video, go back and listen to it again, and fill in your answer. Once you have all of your answers, please hit the submit button at the bottom. Then you may view your score to see how you did. All right, great job today, boys and girls. Have a great day.